Hello again, time for another camera review, and this one's about $100 cheaper than the Nest. Stand by. Today, I'll be unboxing and setting up the Netgear Arlo Q HD security camera. The packaging gives you a very clear shot of the device itself, and on the outside of the box it has a nice little sticker in the top right hand corner that tells you that you get free cloud recording. Features listed is that it's a 1080p HD camera, two-way audio, and it is powered by a regular 110 outlet. It does come with a phone app, and it has night vision. You can set up motion alerts. You can set up activity zones. They indicate that it is a 24/7 cloud recording. You can set up scheduling for when you want the camera to record. And they claim to have a 10-minute setup time. We will go through the setup process, and more than likely it will take longer than 10 minutes for me because I'm going to try to go through the steps a little bit slower. It does require a high-speed internet connection and obviously your AC power. They want you to be within your Wi-Fi range of 300 feet. This particular camera offers a field of view of 130 degrees. They claim the night vision can go up to 25 feet. It does have a 8x digital zoom. That's a little less than the Nest camera. I believe Nest is 12 times. It does have the audio, speaker, and microphone, so you can talk to someone over the camera, back and forth in a room, that is. It comes with a mounting plate and mounting screws, which the Nest does not, and this also offers a window decal. Let's get to it. So, it looks like within the box, you have the camera itself. It feels very solid, well built, not quite as heavy as the Nest Cam. Mounting screws, the wall plate, your power adapter, power cord. I'm going to have to see what the length of this one is. I know on the Nest it was 8 feet long. Well protected instructions. And your quick start guide. So we're going to go through these steps. It basically starts out with showing you what's in the box, which we just went through. Next thing you want to do is download the app, mount the camera if so desired, and start streaming. Okay, according to the instructions, we should now download the free Arlo app. Now it does say Arlo app, not Netgear, so we are going to go to the App Store and we are going to search Arlo. Arlo app. And there is the icon that matches what's in the instructions book. By the way, I forgot to mention, in the box, this is the sticker that you can put on your door or window indicating that your premises is protected by a camera. That's assuming people know that Arlo is a camera. That or either a wild bird. Anyway, getting back to the app, we're going to download it. Once downloading has completed, we're going to open it. Notifications we're going to allow. And since this is our first time of setting this up, we're going to create an account. First name, last name, email, and confirm email address. I do not want to be kept up to date with the latest news. We're going to agree with the service terms. Continue. Email verification. So I will need to sign into the account that I set the application up with and verify the email. Okay, I'm into the email program. I'm clicking verify email. So that automatically updates on your phone. Secure your Arlo account. Protect your Arlo account with identity by enabling two-step verification immediately. Add a trusted device. Arlo would like to add this to a trusted device. We will trust it. Name trusted device. Congratulations, the account has been created. We're going to continue. Select your device. We're selecting cameras. And we're using the queue. Type of connection. We are going to do Wi-Fi. Power on the Arlo camera. Plug the USB end into the power adapter. Plugged it into a power source. Plugging the other end into the back of the camera. Okay. It's hard to tell, but I do have the amber light at the bottom. So we'll click continue. We're going to allow the location. Selected the SSID of the Wi-Fi for my home in this case. Enter the password, continue. Hold the sync button. It's located on the side. It blinked on the front to confirm the connection. Continue. Okay. Scan complete. We're selecting this camera. Unique name. And we're just going to call it Office Test. Time zone. We're staying on Eastern. Continue. This should be pushing the information back to the camera itself. It's now active. Finish. Now I guess you get a little survey, so I'm just going to click later. Press the live button to see your new camera in action. And there it is. Turned off the audio so we wouldn't get feedback. So you can obviously add additional devices if you have more cameras, and you can go into your settings, turn on and off. It shows what you're connected to. You can turn on and off the LED, flicker adjustment, information on the device, your video settings and audio settings. I will not go through each one of the settings. I'll leave that up to you if you choose to purchase this camera. You have another settings option where you can set your account information or change it. There you go. That was the quick setup of the Netgear Arlo Q camera. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you gave me the thumbs up on it. And also, if you want updates on future videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.